After 7 years of making free financial education content, I've made a change. And I know some of you are going to feel like I betrayed my word or went back on my promise, and I agree with you. When I first started making videos 7 years ago, part of the motivation was to combat what I was calling these course bros who would sell these get-rich-quick programs or these courses where they would even say this on YouTube, cheaper than Harvard. And I was like, come on, this is so disgusting. The people who really need these resources and need this help the most are usually the ones who can't afford these $800 courses, $500 courses, or even $100 courses. And I thought to myself, someone should be the alternative to these course bros. And then I was like, oh wait, I'll do it. If you don't know anything about me, my name is Kenneth. I'm a fully self-taught investor. I've been investing for over 26 years and a stock trader, also self-taught. But before I got into day trading and stock trading, I worked in the restaurant industry, I worked in the fitness industry, I never went to college, I only ever worked minimum wage jobs, and before that I wanted to be a professional wrestler. I made my money through working, and I lived at home, which gave me the freedom to build up my savings, which then I used to trade stocks for income. Now for the first 4 years of my TikTok career, I was trading stocks and making videos. And it was a pull because I loved making the videos, but I needed the income from the stock trading and I was not selling anything. And I kept saying, all this good karma is going to pay off one way or another for me. I'm going to get brand deals or I'm going to be in the creator fund. And you can see right above here, this is how much I make from the creator fund here on TikTok for my videos. So not very much, but I really loved making these videos and I wanted to focus on that. So I decided to take a break. I said, for the next 2 years, I'm going to live off of my savings, off of my money that I've saved, and I'm going to wait for some sort of magical payoff that really never came. And I started burning through my money. One person even said to me, hey, you've got these investments. Why don't you sell them and live off of that? And I said, sell my investments that I'm investing in for the future, for my retirement, to keep making free videos for you? That hurts me. No thanks. In addition to thousands of comments per week, which I wanted to respond to everyone, and hundreds of DMs, I also started getting really personal DMs from people, what I started calling the whole life story. They were the whole life story, starting with childhood, tragedy, illness, crises, desperation. It was like emotional dumping, along with asking usually 10 or 15 highly personalized investing questions that I'm not qualified to give. I'm not a financial advisor. You'd never go to a personal trainer in person and say, my knee hurts and my back hurts and I was in this accident when I was a kid and I can't pick up my grandkids anymore and you gotta help me. Please give me a free customized routine. But somehow on the internet, people felt okay to do that. And I never understood why. I felt like something had to change. I was making dozens of videos per week, hundreds per month, going live every week for an hour or two, answering your questions, responding to comments, answering DMs, making blog posts. I was going to burn out, man. I was going to burn out. I had to do something. I had to change something to make it sustainable, to make it fair. And it was also kind of about the principle of the matter. I would want you to value your time. Why wasn't I valuing mine? My goal is to keep the vast majority of my content free, but time is money, and I would want you to value yourself the same way. With the heartfelt DMs, the thank yous, being able to go to a party and tell someone I have 800,000 followers, it's all really cool and means a lot and is sometimes a big ego boost, but it doesn't pay the bills. So what I've decided to do is I've put 3 or 4 of my resources behind a paywall on my website. It is only $10. Cheaper than a burrito from Chipotle. It is only $10, one time, flat rate, no membership, no annual fee. I felt like it was a fair way to create some sort of balance and fairness and avoid burnout. And if you feel like I went back on my word or I betrayed my original promise, I agree with you. This is a struggle that I've personally been dealing with for 2 years. But it felt like a fair compromise. So if you're interested, you can ask me down below in the comments where to sign up, and I'll tell you. All right, see you later.